Sometimes it's okay not to be okay. It's okay not to be okay. In fact, it's perfectly normal. Life can be tough and overwhelming. And it's okay to feel lost or unsure at times. Remember, your struggles don't define you. You are so much more than your challenges, and you have the strength and resilience to overcome them. So take a deep breath and know that you are not alone. It's okay not to be okay, but it's not okay to stay that way. But here's the thing. It's also okay to ask for help. There is no shame in reaching out to someone when you're struggling, whether it's a friend, family member, or professional. Seeking support can be a powerful step towards healing and growth.
High performance habit number 3, raise necessity. Only one who devotes himself to a cause with his whole strength and soul can be a true master. For this reason, mastery demands all of a person. Albert Einstein.
Keep moving forward, one step at a time, and know that brighter days are ahead. The storm will pass. Believe in yourself and trust that only you have what it takes to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. This is with much love and encouragement from your dear friend, Fair 2606.